Hello, good people. Pete Nelson here. I'm back in Gatlinburg, Tennessee at Treehouse Grove, and I am so excited to show you around. Here we are in the main room, kitchenette. It's got everything you need, you know? I mean, it really does. There's even a dishwasher, microwave, coffee maker, critical. One thing you don't see here, but on the wall opposite is the refrigerator, of course. And in case you're wondering, you can make spaghetti, fry up some eggs. Good thing to have. Come in here. This is a little living room. Very comfortable in here because each room has one of these mini splits. Air conditioning, heating in the winter. Don't forget, here we are in the middle of summer, but wintertime, these are great places to hang out. You can just relax, look at the beautiful view. Oh my gosh, let's go out and I'll show you the view because this is the best part. Wow, look at this, huh? So here, every treehouse at the Mountain View Treehouse Edition has a screen porch. Come and see this. Great fan above, great lighting, and then no bugs. How about that? Great place to have dinner with your family, your friends. I mean, I'm telling you, this feels so good in here. Bedroom 1, right here, queen size bed, cozy room. It's got the AC right there, little barn door. So fun. Closet over here. Stairs up to a loft. There's another queen size bed up there. So 2, 4, oh, bathroom, look at this. Great shower right there. You've got your sink, you've got your toilet. Beautiful cedar interior. Roll your bed out here. Ha! It's a tree house. They're meant to be fun. Pure fun. That's what life is all about. Look at this. No treehouse is complete without a loft. Queen size bed. Again, another mini split for heat and air conditioning. A lot of windows to see the view. Just cute as can be. Here we are at the communal fireplace. What a spot to hang out with your family, your friends, new friends. You've got views for miles, the mountain views, hence Mountain View Treehouses at Treehouse Grove. This really is a special place, so come and visit.